We are pleased to show you the 2018 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated seats, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, multifunction display, child safety locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.